Hey guys, this is Krishna. Thank you for joining me in this new video. What I have for you today is a publication. It was published on October 14th of 2025 from the National Cybersecurity Center. And this is an official website from the government of the United Kingdom. And what they provide here is a toolkit that small businesses can leverage to boost and improve their cyber security, right? So what they have over here is really simple steps that any businesses can really follow, and any businesses is primarily targeted to small businesses, sole proprietors, micro businesses. So very simple steps that those businesses can actually follow in order to improve, start building the cyber defenses. So this is what is included in the toolkit. A couple things that they do mention here, because I think this is really important, because a lot of the time when we hear about breaches or attack, and when it is mentioned, it is usually with it's usually with a reference to big businesses, right? But the thing is, if you look over here, their statistic is 42% of small businesses reported cyber breaches in 2024, right? And another stat is 35% of micro businesses faced phishing attacks. So it's not only those big businesses that are being targeted, it's really every organization that has a digital presence is basically a target for cybersecurity criminals, right? So the toolkit is, if you scroll down, you have a couple links here for the toolkit. I'm just going to open it in incognito mode over here, an incognito window. And I'm just going to walk you through. You can read a little bit more here about some of the things that is included in the toolkit. But just to go straight to the toolkit, you can click on Get Free Toolkit. It's going to ask you a couple questions to tailor the toolkit to your organization. I'm going to say 2 to 9 people over here. And in my case, it will be I'm a cybersecurity professional exploring the services for my clients. But you can select I'm a small business looking for cybersecurity advice for my own organization. Next question over here is going to ask you if your business has been asked to get a cyber essentials certifications, and you can say no. So one more thing I forgot to say, even though this is primarily for a website that is targeted to businesses in the United Kingdom, I think any businesses that is online can definitely leverage it. The foundation is pretty much the same whether the business is in the United Kingdom, France, United States, Canada, Australia, or any other countries. The security layers that you can implement definitely are the same. So this over here is a little bit more related to UK businesses, but if you're not in the UK, just press no over here and go ahead and create that toolkit. It's gonna go ahead. It's gonna take just a little bit of time over here, and it's gonna create it. So over here, the toolkit is created, and you have a layer of protection over here. So it's just like 3 stages that you have over here. You can set the foundation, and the foundation has about 6 actions that needs to be completed. You have something that improve on the foundation, and that has about 5 actions to complete. And you have something where you go a little bit beyond that has about 4 actions to complete. So we're just going to look at one of those actions over here. You can see that, let's say, use a password manager. We can click over here. That's for one of the actions that we take. You have it walks you through the different actions that you need to do, and it does explain those actions a little bit more in detail. And when you're ready, you just go to update action and move on to the next step, right? Some of those actions, from what I've seen, had a video, I believe. Yeah, I think that was the one that I was looking at. Some other videos as well that can provide a little bit more information on what they're providing here. But I would probably say, if you publish on time and you just have to set something up, at least set the foundation, right? And you don't need to do all of that all at once. Just set the time over time to be able to implement all of those. Your security stance online is definitely going to be better. So that's what I had for you. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know questions, and I will in the comment section. I will talk to you in another video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share with some friends. If you're a small business owner looking for peace of mind, head over to vanguardbear.com for a free website security audit and learn more about our services. And I will catch you in the next video.